I'm Marco Martelli. I'm project manager for Ultimaker Italia and 3D Italy network, that is the official reseller of Ultimaker in Italy with 7 stores here in Italy. And today we are here to manage the official stand of Ultimaker.
We're going to do a demonstration and show all the people that are at their booth. Show them what the Faraday Motion Get Moving is all about. And if I enable it, it's going to change to red, telling me that I'm actually braking right now. If I move it slowly down, you can see the numbers changing, and it actually will change. Now it says, okay, you don't have any more brakes. Now it switched to braking again. No brakes, but you're not going forward yet. So now when it's green, it says, okay, you're about to go forward, and you're on. So what I'll do is I'm gonna get on it and show you guys how it goes. Just by using a Woo!
Did you try going to a supermarket?
Yes, we have the photo.
First you push me back a little bit. Sit up. Let's test. What's better than this? Alright, I'm all ready.
Rome, nice to see you. Hope for another time.
Looking forward for some beers.
That's how it looks to pack a spine.